Let's talk about Muddyfox Men's Recoil 26 Black White 26 inch. Steel dual suspension mountain bike frame, steel suspension front forks, steel MTB handlebars, steel handlebar stem, 18 Speed Shimano Tourney gears with Revoshift Shifters. This would be a decent bike if it wasn't falling apart. I tried to be patient with it, but I can't. 1 week in and I had to buy a new tire because the tire valve just fell off. I thought I punctured the tire, but no. 2 weeks in and I'm having problems with the brakes. They move about and rub against the tires. And the gears are absolutely terrible. It skips the second gear, so I can only cycle on the first and third. I really don't think this bike is worth it. I'm gonna have to buy a new bike. If I'm angry at how rubbish a product is, I don't usually write bad reviews, I usually just deal with it, but this bike has really annoyed me, especially as it falls apart halfway through commute. I will start by saying I am 76 and my wife is 75. This bike was bought for me and it took us just 60 minutes to put this bike together, so easy. And now for the bike. Fantastic finish, gears very good and so smooth, brakes, suspension work very well, incredible value for money, looks good, arrived on time, love it. Now to get fit. The bike has significant safety issue. 1. The brake rub moves and ties to the wheel. It's been properly set up, but its mechanism issue and the brake rub moves and very unstable to against the tires. 2. The gear is horrible and it keeps adjusting even without touching the spinner controller. It's very dangerous and concern as it happens at the traffic junction when certainly the gears changes from 5 to 4. It happens from time to time and no predication. I'm going to buy another bicycle from the local shop. Though it's more expensive, but I have peaceful mind without worrying the safety.